Hello everyone. This is Ayush, and this is I think डे 9 है. मैंने एक छोटा सा क्लिप रिकॉर्ड किया. आज मैं मेक श्योर करूँगा कि मैं उसको अटैच करूँ इस वीडियो के साथ. सो या सो आज की वीडियो के अंदर आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट माई लैपटॉप. आई मीन लेट मी गो टू द एक दिन कल मैं फुल वीडियो नहीं डाला था, उसकी वजह से शायद मेरा आवाज़ थोड़ा सा बैठा बैठा लग रहा होगा, लेकिन आई एम टोटली फाइन. सो दिस इज़ माई लैपटॉप. It's a Asus TUF F15 i7 RTX 4060. I think the TGP is 140 watts, and I'm going to tell my experience for this laptop. So I have had it since July, and today is November. So I have had this for like 5 months, and this has not disappointed me yet. I mean, this is a good laptop if in its price range. I'm not going to tell the price, but yeah, it's good. If you are going to just search it on like Amazon or Flipkart, you will just know the price. So I think in this price range, according to like current situation of the 5060, it's a 4060, okay. Current situation, because the 5060 is actually the latest generation one. So for if you have that kind of money, you can buy it, but I think this is more than enough if you want. And I think, for my perspective, I think if you're spending if that how much I have spent on this laptop, if I am spending more than that, then I think I'm going to buy a I'm going to buy a I am going to have a PC build. That's, I think, more efficient. But but here in Jashpur, it's like very common for all the, what do you call it, all the blackout. I mean, लाइट कभी भी चला जाता है. आज बहुत बार गया लाइट, मेरा दिमाग खराब हुआ है. मतलब पता नहीं चाहिए और वाईफाई भी बंद हो जाता है ना. आई हैव टू फाइंड अ वे टू एक्चुअली अटैच माई वाईफाई विथ माई laptop, so I'm not going to face that issue again. And yeah, and if I have tried editing on it, it is good. I did editing plus, I would say, gaming. Mostly I've played, I think, Valorant. I play mostly, I get like 350 to 400 fps, and yeah, that's the average. And I have played GTA 5. I don't remember the FPS in which, but it ran GTA 5 very effortlessly. So I think GTA 5 is not going to be an issue. And if you want to code is, I think coding is less intensive than editing. And I have done editing in it. And editing, I think export time is a little bit on the higher side, but I think you will get most of the things done if you have everything. And I am using this Creo mouse with it, and this is a really handy one. I think if I had a choice, then I would have bought a what do you call it? Bought the mouse with a lot of buttons, because I really think there are a lot less buttons. I think one, two, these two side buttons are only there. But yeah, I have to just adjust to it. And if you can see the wallpaper, it's a little giant one. Yeah, कि थोड़ा सा, yeah, I think. And what I have bought with it, I think I have bought a wallpaper engine, obviously, because of the good quality wallpapers which they have. Yeah. And if you I haven't used a, what do you call it, a cooling pad for it, because I think the fans are enough. But if you are thinking of buying one, I would say you should not, because the problem with it is at some point you have to, I think you should invest more on that, what do you call it, more on the headphones, or earphones. Because when, if you use a cooling pad, okay, first of all, if you have to power it by something, I don't recommend directly powering it through your laptop, because it's going to put the load on the laptop. But if you have to separate connection. I just have these two ports here, this one and this second. So yeah, one is for laptop and one when I charge my phone. So I will need a, what do you call, a splitter extension for it. And another thing is, I would need a I would need, because like the cooling pad, it's the if you can't really hear it, but the fan are still going on this laptop. And when I play games, okay, I use earphones with plus my headphones, so that I don't hear the sound. It's not really that loud, if I would say, but it is loud. Okay, so if you like, most if you are purchasing it for gaming, it is like it gives a good performance. But the problem is, like, no, not a laptop problem, but it creates a lot of noise, and in which your family members are going to kill you if this things like, oh, it runs like a jet in the night, especially in night. It will just throw the sounds at you, and you cannot do anything. That's the problem. Yeah. So if you have the budget, I will say, um, I mean, now that I have purchased it, I really like Asus. If you want alternative, you can go for Acer Nitro V16. V16, I think. Yeah, it's a 4051. I don't remember the 4060 variant. We have HP Omen. We have, I would not recommend Victus. And we have, if you have, I think, if I have like a lot of, if I have like a little bit more money, like 5 to 10K, I think I would have brought Acer Predator, but it would have came in like 4050 variant. And that has more specs, more most features for a gaming one. But I think it's in the middle, and I think it works for me. And and if you want like a laptop which is, what do you call it, um, more budget friendly, I would say, if you let's set a bottom line. I think 2050 is the, like, old, it has got old. So I would recommend, if anyone is going for it, I would say at least get 4050, 4050 at least. And if you don't have the budget, you should go for, the minimum is 3050. And if you and you like, in the worst case, you should consider 3050. And if you get like in like 2 to 3,000 more, you get 3060, that's also good. But 4050, because the new features are on the 4050, like new G-Sync and like whatever that is. If you I don't really use the mux switch, but it kind of annoys me sometimes, because it like integrated graphics to it continuously switches when I open the game. So I have just set it to the GPU, and I just let it run. Hmm. Yeah. So in the end, I would say that um, it's a good laptop. I mean, the display, it's like 144 hertz. Yeah, it has a 144 hertz display. And I mean, the battery life, I would say, is like not that great, because it's a gaming laptop. I did not expect it. Like, in the beginning, it was very good, but as the time went by, it just it just went down. And now I think, if I play games, I think I can play two matches, which means I can at least play two matches. I would say 45 minutes. I think, if I play games, I'm saying, talking about games, not about like just browsing and all. I think 45 minutes I can play. And if I play videos, I think it's about 3 to 4 hours video playback. I think it's good for a gaming laptop, but let's see. As the time passes, it will get only worse, not good. But for now, it's good. So let's see. I will make another video about, like, about 1 to 2 years after I have this. And that's my jet poster. I should just change it with Reina, or maybe, what do you call it, Reina, or Deadlock. I think Deadlock has to be the has can get change in it, but I don't think I have mastered Deadlock yet. I really, it kind of makes me annoying. I think the main problem with Deadlock, why I'm talking about Valorant now. Yeah, so I think, yeah, ठीक है, चलो वीडियो का एंड आ चुका है, थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बात करते हैं. सो कल वीडियो नहीं बनाया जिसके कारण आई थिंक थोड़ा सा मेरे को लाइक प्रॉब्लम आया आज का वीडियो लाइक 10 मिनट्स तक खींचने में। सो आई थिंक कल से कंसिस्टेंटली वापस लाना पड़ेगा। एकदम एकदम मेरे को बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है अभी लाइक वो जो स्टार्टिंग वाला वीडियो उसको साथ में जोड़ने का, बट आई विल ट्राई समहाउ टू डू इट। एंड thank you if anyone you have watched till the end. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow. I really like the background, so I think this is one of the background that I really like about this place. Thank you everyone.